The video is about getting rid of the browser hijacker called crazyresultsnow.com. Frankly speaking, this website, by its name, sounds really crazy indeed. And this is a typical browser hijacker that changes the default search engine settings without the user's permission. This hijacker is spread through integration with many free applications, so in many cases users download and install it absolutely unintentionally. We recommend you to immediately get rid of this browser hijacker, and we suggest you to use a special antivirus program for this purpose. Of course, you could first of all check the list of your available browser extensions, and if you find anything suspicious, you should get rid of them. But very often, a lot of hijackers may impact the browser in a very secret manner, so you might not find any extensions, but still this hijacker would be active. We recommend you to research your computer with Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and begin researching your device with its help. After you successfully download and install the software, it will be initially in the trial mode. In the trial mode, only quick scan option is available so far. You need to click on Start Scan button, and most likely the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other types of computer infections. The scanning duration by Combo Cleaner will take some time, of course. It depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And at the end of the scanning, you will then see the complete summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Combo Cleaner also is provided with a special anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully finalized. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the computer. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your computer always clean and free of any other threats.